Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial series, I'll teach you how to create a 3D car animation video in Blender. If you are beginner, it's very beneficial for you. So let's start. By the way, I'm using the Blender version 4.1 and also I'm using the Blender kit add-on in this series. If you also want to download, I'll drop the link in description so you can easily download. The second question is how can you install the Blender kit in your Blender? So here you can see first you have to delete everything, press A to select all, then delete. Okay, here now you can see here the option of edit and tap preferences, add-on, you have to select install. I already download the Blender kit file, so you have to just select the file. Here you can see Blender kit zip file, just tap it and install add-on. Okay, now you have to search here Blender kit. Hi, now you can see here the option of Blender kit. Just on it and also on this option enable add once only. Okay, here but you still can't see your Blender kit option. For visibility of your option, press N in your keyboard. Here now you can see Blender kit option. Yes. Now there is a lot of options in Blender kit like models, materials, scenes, SDRS, brushes, search filters, lot of options. But we are using the search option like for models like car. For example, here you can see there's a lot of cars available in Blender kit, but the car is locked. For free models, we are using the free models in the series. So for select free models, you have to go there in this search filter and tap it, then on the first free first. Okay, here you can see the car is free now. Here you can see the free options. Yes. If you want to download the car, if you want to install your car in your Blender, you have to just tap on the car like this. The car will be downloaded in few seconds. It's totally depend on your net speed. Here you can see your car is downloaded.